Okay, well, I finally heard from my insulation buddy. He's going to be coming over on Saturday, and we're going to go ahead and tackle this project. This is all R19 insulation that will go underneath my mega shed here. It was supposed to have been done back in 2011, but never did. I also got some wire mesh. This is 6 foot wide by 50 foot long rolls. I got 2 of them because this is 12 feet wide, so 2 rolls running about between 35 and 40 feet, because I'm not going to run insulation, underneath the front deck. But it will be run up to where the door line is here. So, yep, that's the plan. So, yeah, I got about 10 bundles up here. I also got a couple rolls of I believe that's R13. So, yeah, R13. Eventually, I'm going to do the whole inside of, this room here, just like the insulation on the wall here. It's going to be done in these walls as well. I eventually want to get that done, so that way this could basically be an insulated room and not exposed to the elements, whatever the temperature is outside or inside. Hopefully that will come to an end. So that's the game plan right now, but that'll be another day. But for now, I'll show you where this is going to be going. Yeah, I'll need to move some blocks. Yeah, hold on. Alright. So, yeah, I'm going to have to get some dirt out of the way, but I'll do that a little later. Should be, let's see, okay, we got one there. That should be it. Missing one. There. Total of 9. So yep, underneath here, that's where it's going to be going. So, not much daylight, but I won't be able to get much video under here either. So, yep, he'll be coming by and taking care of this. I don't think I need to move these blocks. It looks like it come right up to it, along with the wire mesh, so might be all right. But yeah, we'll check out the progress and see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, yeah, R19 M48Q. That's what's going under the mega shed. 16 inches wide. That's the specs. Yeah, we're going to hold off on the wire mesh for now. Just get the insulation in. That'll probably be done at a later date, because that's going to be a good bit of work. So we got a total of 10 bundles, 7 under, and the 3 remaining sitting there. So, oh, what fun! So yeah, it's going to go up underneath, cut where the blocks are. So that'll be good. Oh yeah, and the plastic is a moisture barrier, so any condensation won't turn into mold and mildew in the insulation. Wow. Not bad. Just getting the insulation and support bars up. This is already done. We still got 5 bundles left. May use that in the room eventually. Man, this looks good. Not bad at all. Alright, so yeah, we need the wire mesh. We'll put it up later if the squirrels start attacking it, but no, everything's all tacked up with the wire. Awesome job. Total price, $200. That's a pretty good deal in my opinion. And done in like, let's see, started at 10, it's 12:30, so not bad. So about $100 an hour. That's pretty good. I think it's money well spent. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tack this thing up and we'll call it a job. Alright, we're back together. Project done. Awesome.